In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. Knowing who's checking out your profile can help you gauge interest from recruiters, potential clients, and colleagues, and it can guide what you post next. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to your main feed. If you land somewhere else, click Home at the top to make sure you're on the home page. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Me menu, which shows your profile photo. In the drop-down, choose View Profile to open your profile page. On your profile, scroll to the section labeled Analytics. This panel summarizes how your profile and content are performing. Inside it, find the Profile Views card. Even if the number currently shows 0, click the card to open the detailed Viewer Insights page. This is where LinkedIn aggregates information about who has visited your profile and when. At the top of that page, you'll see a time filter that typically reads past 90 days. Click it to adjust the time range so you can compare recent activity with a wider window. If your views seem low, it may be because the selected window is narrow or you haven't posted or engaged recently. Here's what to expect in terms of visibility. With a basic free LinkedIn account, you'll see limited insights, often general job titles, companies, or industries, along with trends over time. To see more specific information about viewers, you'll need an active LinkedIn Premium subscription. Premium expands the details shown and can reveal more names depending on how those visitors choose to browse. Keep in mind that if someone views your profile in private mode, their identity remains hidden for everyone, including Premium members. Also remember that your own viewing settings affect reciprocity. If you browse in private mode, you'll get fewer details about your viewers in return. If the page still shows 0 profile views, that simply means no one has visited your profile during the selected period. The Insights page will still load correctly, and adjusting the date range can help confirm whether that's the case. That's the full path. Feed, home, me, view profile, analytics, then the profile views card, and finally the past 90 days filter. Use these insights to understand when interest in your profile spikes, and consider updating your headline, adding recent achievements, or engaging with relevant posts to attract the right audience. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, consider subscribing for more clear, no fluff LinkedIn tips.